Hello, this is Ribla and I am here to introduce you conceptteacher.com. This is an online educational portal developed to be supportive to the non-commercial schools that are facing a threat from the corporate schools in the recent years according to the changing trend in the educational system. The students and parents are very keen on high-quality conceptual education. To meet this need, this online education was designed. The main aim of this conceptteacher.com is to ensure you quality education to every student and to be supportive to the schools that are facing a lot of problems to stand up in this competitive world. And at a very low expenditure, we are giving you the conceptteacher.com. Our team are all experienced teachers and lecturers giving you a quality education and supplying the best materials. The major problem faced by many schools is the IIT Foundation and the conduction of the examinations. So we conduct both online and offline exams according to your convenience. And according to the change in syllabus, as you observe, it is an activity-oriented education. Every concept is given an activity. But according to the normal workload in the schools, it is difficult for a teacher to conduct the activities and practicals according to the concept regularly. So, our team will help you in conducting those activities and practicals in your schools according to your syllabus and time plan, and report the results in the feedback time to time. The same way, in this new world of educational system, comprehensive cumulative evaluation or assessment, that means we have to conduct a daily exam about the past topic about 10 to 15 minutes. But it is a bit troubling to the teacher to conduct every day. But we will help you in that. We will design the question papers about the concept and supply it to you so that you could conduct the exam and analyze them easily. And we supply the material and question papers and whatever the student needs. We ensure you excellent teaching in the regular syllabus and additional syllabus for IIT. And there is also scope for the student to attend unlimited examinations in the selective topic as he desires. These are the facilities by our conceptteacher.com. Above all these, we promise you an activity-oriented education, and our best future is clarifying doubts. Whether it may be our material or your material or any other material of the student on their own, we clarify the doubts raised by the students about concerned topics online by webcasting too. We have special arrangements so that our team can contact your students directly through live webcasting and clarify their doubts. Not only that, we conduct quiz, general knowledge test about any other subject every week in our schools. And as we know, there are Math Olympiad, Physics Olympiad, and Chemistry Olympiads. They have high-range syllabus. And a few students are interested to attend those exams. And we will help the student supplying the additional syllabus and materials they need. Not only that, we take selected students and group them under a star batch and give them special coaching, additional coaching in addition to their regular syllabus. Through online, whether it is from their home or from your school, and every subject. And we have also planned to supply lectures on all lessons from every subject, even the languages, so that whenever your teacher is on a leave, you can continue your daily class work from our lectures at any time without any kind of interruption. You might have seen many online programs, but we are different from the rest. So we give you coaching in a simple language a student understands and feels comfortable with. We design the education according to our state syllabus so that the students feel more comfortable. And we promise you the best and the comfortable education from an experienced team of teachers and lecturers a student expects. And this conceptteacher.com is the first educational site providing you the clarification of doubts online in schooling level. So we request you to support us and make this a big success. Thank you.